Measurement View Window Part 1. In relation of the sequencer windows, the Measurement View window is explained in this video. This window is used to evaluate the test results and some criteria to determine for the test to pass or fail. Note that evaluation can be performed before or after the test, then the results are evaluated. To explain this section, three states of pre-fault, fault, and post-fault are created in the table view. The followed voltages are injected in pre-fault. Content voltage of 10 volts for 2 seconds. In the fault state, the voltage increases from 10 volts to 15 volts as continuous ramp in 10 seconds, and in post-fault to 0 volts. Time Assessment tab. The Measurement View window has some tabs that each one evaluates a special item. In the Time Assessment tab, an event time is evaluated in the test. This event is received by a signal from trip or pickup from a relay or logic or a combination of various conditions. In this tab, some lines can be added and multiple time evaluations can be performed. In the Name column, a name, for example, trip time, can be inserted for evaluation. Since it's possible that a trip signal can be added in different states and could be recorded in different times, in the Ignore Before and Ignore After, a general range from the test states are selected, so the time evaluation of these events are performed in this range. For example, by selecting the fault state, all events before the fault state would be ignored in the Ignore Before column. In the same way, by selecting the state in the Ignore After column, all the events after the fault state are ignored. In the Start column, the time reference, and in Stop column, the events that is meant to be evaluated are specified. Here, receiving the start signal are selected from 4 binary as the reference, and receiving the trip contact as the 3 binary would be selected as the intended event for time evaluation. Note that there exists an option named as Logic in the Start and Stop columns that by right-clicking on it and selecting the View Custom setting, a logic with the combination of various conditions for evaluation start time reference and final conditions of evaluation time calculation would be specified. In the TNOM column, the expected nominal time of a start and stop enters, and in the TDEV plus and TDEV minus columns, the positive and negative tolerances are entered that could be different from one another. Here, to evaluate the test, a nominal time of 3 seconds, a positive tolerance of 2 seconds, and a negative tolerance of 1 second are entered. After running the test and recording the results in the table, the real time of the event is specified in the T-Act column. That is about 3.623 seconds, and its deviation from the TNOM is recorded as a percentage in the TDEV column. In the Assessment column, the evaluation is performed if the T-Act time is in the defined range of TNOM minus TDEV minus to TNOM plus TDEV plus. The evaluation is passed, and if it is not in this range, the evaluation is failed. Here, because the 3.623 seconds are located in the range of 2 to 5 seconds, the test is passed. In the User Comment column, you can enter your desired notes. In the right clicks of this section, by selecting the Copy option, the information of an evaluation row could be copied, and by pasting it, a new row with the information is created. By selecting the Add option, a blank row is added to the evaluation table. By selecting the Insert Before and Insert After, a blank row is added before and after the selected row, and other time evaluation can be defined in these rows. Delete deletes the selected row. The last option in this section is the Show or Hide option that is composed of 2 table and report options. There exists a list in the table and report sections that are exactly the same as the evaluation table columns. By unchecking each of them, that column would be deleted from the table in the Measurement View or the Report section.